Hi everyone, welcome to Hope's class. Today we will look at the sums and the differences of the functions. The superposition principle states that the sum or the difference of two functions can be found by adding or subtracting their y-coordinates at each x values. The domain of the sum or the differences of two functions is a common domain of the two component functions. Okay, let's look at one example. Graph f(x) and gx on the same set of x's. Use a table to help your graphs. We will use a table to find the value of f(x) and gx as x approaches to -2 to 2. Then use the value from the table to graph f(x) and gx on the same set of x's. So here are the graphs. Okay, second example. Determine the equation for the sum and the differences for the function hx and the sx. Use the table to find the value of hx, it is fx plus gx, and sx, it is fx minus gx. The superposition principle tells us we can simply add or subtract the y values of the two functions. So here's the graph of hx. We can see that the resulting function can be viewed as a combination of the two component functions. Use the y value from the same table to sketch the graph of sx. The difference between the fx and the gx can be seen in the graph as changing in their y values. Since the domain of the sum or differences of the two functions is a common domain of the functions, so the domain of both hx and sx is all real number. Thank you. For more information, please feel free to leave the message for me.